Pyongyang Machinery focuses on the research and development and manufacturing of wire processing equipment and is committed to providing customers with production efficiency and reduced labor costs. The equipment uses advanced technologies to greatly improve control system to ensure that every link of wire processing achieves the best quality, supports a variety of wire types and specifications to meet different production needs, use high-quality materials and rigorous manufacturing processes to ensure long-term and stable operation of them. It is easy to operate and maintain. We provide full support from equipment selection, installation and commissioning to after-sales service to ensure that your company can successfully achieve production upgrades. We also support customized services and provide exclusive solutions based on your company's specific needs. If you are interested in our products or want to know more information, please feel free to contact us.